Motorola has launched its stylus-equipped smartphone in the global market, North America. It has been introduced as the Moto G Stylus 2025. This phone not only offers an enhanced stylus pen experience, but also comes with major upgrades in display, camera, and charging. In today's video, we'll dive into the full features, price, and availability details of this fantastic smartphone. So, let's start. Features of Moto G Stylus 2025. Display. The Moto G Stylus 2025 features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus POLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The phone also comes with an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. Additionally, it boasts a resolution of 2712 x 1220 pixels, and includes an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. For photography, the phone packs a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700C main camera, with OIS support. It's also equipped with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The camera software includes AI tools, and Google Photos editing features, for enhanced creativity. Performance. The Moto G Stylus 2025 runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 8GB RAM, and up to 256GB of internal storage. Users can further expand the storage via a micro SD card. Battery and charging. The phone houses a massive 5000 mAh battery, supporting 68-watt wired, and 15-watt wireless charging. That means users get long-lasting battery life, and lightning-fast charging speeds. Upgraded stylus features. The included stylus is now more responsive than ever, featuring sketch-to-image, and Google Circle to search, allowing users to draw, highlight, and interact seamlessly with the screen. The phone also includes Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. Operating system. The phone runs on Android 15, with Motorola's Hello UX interface, along with security features like Moto Secure and Think Shield. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The Moto G Stylus 2025 is priced at $399.99, and will be available in Gibraltar C, and surf the web color options. In the US, sales begin on April 17th, via Amazon, Best Buy, and Motorola.com. And, in Canada, it will be available starting May 13th on Motorola.ca, and select carriers.